Greetings to ever conscious and those people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osahwe Nohwade. So we can't, in fact, make I remove my glass of face. Yeah. You know when I talk about hey, you are real life. Domo.
Okay.
You know when I talk about hey, Domo Baba.
I okay here now.
Our mama Baba.
No wala.
Domo sir.
This are the wala.
In my alley corner another day. Aripo.
I go first of all.
And now yeah. Open for now. Yeah, if I were in on here. Yeah.
Alright. Direction. I know where they know.
My direction here no. Yeah. What pull it? The upon do one.
Man, sir. See when it's your boy. So,
see. Sorry for the distraction. I remember humble self. Comrade Stanley Zazosa. I just saw my leader on the way, so I said, let me assist him to the junction. So that's why there was hiccups in our discussion. First, this morning I want to say a very big thank you to all those worldwide. Owing to the fact that if you look at the song that just ended, you agree to the fact that we are bubbling because of your patronage. And by the power of God Almighty, we will always try as much as possible to operate within the ambient of humility. Because as a human being, if you think that you are everybody, you are making a mistake. No man on earth, no matter how great. A classical example is late Michael Jackson of blessed memory. When he died, they not pause the earth, say, hey, as Michael Jackson died, this man is too great, make earth pause. Life goes on. So nobody is too valuable. Nobody. If you assume, you don't tell them. If you assume, you collect on your own. Mama, okay. Or your remains your case. So in life, where you think say you know rich, and you dey look yourself say man, now you be head of a gadabu. People they will start from there. Now there they start from, and now there you end. As I talk am yesterday, now tree near tree, now make monkey the jump from tree to tree. And thank God say, Edo people, not they make the work less nor reduce. The work they come in as it's supposed to be. And we owe our people and our customers worldwide salutation and appreciation. Because under a normal situation, one thing is to be a professional in a field. The other thing is to look for those who will consult your professionalism. Professionalism or professionality, as the case may be, without consultation is as worthless as a Babuan dollar. So because of that, it is expedient that as a company, you must not only think of the job you're getting, you must put into consideration customer welfare and human relation skills. So for today, this location money. For today, I decided to come out to give you updates on our activities so far. Part of the first update is for those of you who have applied for a certificate of occupancy under our consortium. please, apart from those who came in recently, just let's say some 5 days, 6 days back, your file numbers are out. Why do you need the file numbers? I will tell you, under a normal situation, I'm not going to give you the original. I will have to photocopy it and give it to you so that you can better confirm the status of your C of O application. However, we know they do and say we can say Ogwimane, everybody all of them, no. You will be confirming the status of your application. Then for those who did survey through us, apart from the survey of some few days back, yesterday, your surveys are out. Your survey plans, there are so many. You see them, there are so many. So I cannot begin to flash them now. Your surveys are out. Send your representative to call us immediately. While we give them, this is it. Please call this number back. God bless him. Tell her say where she is. God bless him now. Call her first. Give me the ones. I cannot display the name of our customer, but I will show you that this is how the survey plan. You have 5 copies in the survey plan. Please, I will not want to display this for the purpose of protecting the customer. So you have quick call and this time. You have 5 copies in one document of the survey. We only need just 1 copy. We'll give you others to go with your survey, while we use the other one to apply for your certificate of occupancy. Part of what you're going to bring to us include but not limited to part of what you're going to bring to us include but not limited to 1, data page of your international passport. For those in the diaspora. What tete? Who the Zuzu work for grassroots? Who the
Where you did? Hey, now.
Now, so
Where you did?
So you don't reach
For Coca-Cola.
which was
we
come there.
We don't know you will come. Wait, 5 minutes. We'll meet you there. 5 minutes.
Now, part of what you're going to bring to us, your data page of your international passport or your means of national identification, voter's card, driver's license, international passport, Nigerian international passport, quote and unquote. Then you are going to give us a clear passport photograph, a very clear one, because your first passport photograph will be engraved on the C of O. So if your passport is not clear, it may not show your face, and you should understand the implication. They will accept the passport that you brought, but for the purpose of your own interest, ensure that your passport is clear. Then you scan it to us. Then the paper of your documents, the document, paper of your land, we needed a photocopy. We'll take a copy of your survey plan, added to it. We need a utility bill. When I say utility, for those in the diaspora, you're already aware of utility, but for those of us here to make a breakdown for proper edification. NEPA B when they tell you throw away dirty, it must not mean say it go be from your house where you dey build. No, from your family house here in Edo State. Bring them out. You will send that to us. Then we go send you one form. What they call authorization form. Now that form, you go fill them. You go sign them. You go say, now you direct Stanley Sadi Enterprise under the leadership of Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakwenokwodi to do your C of O on your behalf as an agent, intermediary. As I talk on before, that's why I'll still talk on again today. C of O, application fee na 50,000. Task clearance, otherwise known as development, is 100,000. But the same is Maria Mukoni. It's 100,000. I have a call now, but I can't take it now. Pick up. So I say I did live video. It's 100,000. Task clearance. Then, as I've earlier said, and I'm repeating it again, you are bringing 10,000 to us first.
Already live video.
For printing your documents, running around. I did not tell you that government said you should give us 10,000. No. Government did not say you should give us 10,000. No. That 10,000 you are bringing it to Stanley Sadi Enterprise. You run around and so on and so forth. When your C of O is about to come out,
50 minutes.
there is what we call assessment. Assessment.
Call back.
It's contained on what we call your offer letter. Government will not tell you we are going to that site. We want to carry out inspection, as the case may be. After all and all, they will bill you in line with assessment. Like in 1x2, I have never seen where they build above 50,000. But it depends on the use to which not such land is being put, given. Tell us say the green one, the green native. Tell us say the green native. May wash up. Where are you now? Now I want to go see my people tomorrow. And those worldwide who are hosting us tomorrow. What's up? Tell her make it put the ghetto. Make day where. No, sir, what even look good. I beg. The green one, bring a draw, come on, man, identify. Odogu Special School. Odogu. No, not be that one. They'll check you. I remain loyal. That one, yeah. See, bros. On I had to move away. Only. Yeah, you will be technicalities. You are a technicalities. But you cannot be a principality of power and let God be principality of power. No, Daniel. I met you in the party. Sorry, please. I met you in the party. It's your party. So I remain loyal to you, sir. But that loyalty, if you misuse her, it will appoint you there. Or say, I will come later. So, that assessment, sorry, please, you know when you move for area, you move, you see your people, fit pass like that. So now they cause this distraction. It's not supposed to be part of it. Please, I'm deeply sorry for the inconvenience that my action may have caused. Now, that said, I never swear they charge more than 50,000. Then 100 by 100. I never see where they charge more than 35,000. I've not seen. So you will not pay the assessment to government. They will issue out your CFO. Now, get it clearly. The 10,000 you are sending to us is not for government to. People not going to say, only using the name of government. No, government not send us. Then after the activities, as I have earlier said, and I wait till I see the talk, you go use your mind to give Osakwenokwodi company whatever you wish to give us. when we don't process them for you, finish. Because we not go receive salary when we never see the document where you pay for, see and give you. So as we deliver your documents, say this is your CFO, sir. You say, oh, you do well. I want to buy you an aeroplane. You do well. I will not give you one at all. Take this one. That is not left for you. And it is within your discretion. It is within your discretion. So that is that as far as CFO requirements is concerned. So please call your representative to come and collect your surveys. It's already here. In fact, I they carry and they move, they go anywhere I go. So that as your rep come here and say, meet me here, or you give them. Our office is underway. We all need to garner small resources where more for remove better office for owner. That time now to go to the office, go collect them. I not tell you say I don't today, say my office they know. Now little by little. We have been in this business over time. Then we not the CFO, we were into survey, building plan approval. But when CFO came in and when Obaseki reduced them to the barest minimal, whereas in the past is 1.7 million, 1.5 million, the man brought it to just 50,000. Till date, it has shocked so many people. So you sure say not true? You sure say not true? It has shocked people. You understand? It has shocked people.
Okay, maybe they're off. Maybe off.
So as we speak, we'll try as much as possible to now ensure, say, we do all what we could to not just only protect your interest, but to do the right thing at the right time. Will they grow, they come. Will they pray to grow? We never grow to that level where we say we're going to say, Osak, we're not worthy. No. I be very local person. You know? Now they know me now. Now make me the shine publicly for the world. Osak, we're not worthy. Osak, we're not worthy. Osak, we're not worthy. Not be say maybe I today. No. Now God just give us the opportunity to say, now they say know me. So, and I pray to God, by the power of God Almighty, may popularity not enter my head, make I can't misbehave. We don't see him before. May God not let us get the kind of fame or the kind of money where go make us feel say other people not rich. For that kind of money to come, may God block them. May not reach our hand. Because only this hand, nothing remove hair for head. But with this, all of them put together, you go pull all the hair. Tell them I give you power steady oil. Abru. Come down. Abru. So, I call on all our clients to please send your representative to collect your documents. Then your file numbers from a Monday. In fact, we're going to call you now. Tell you, say, see where I did. Come with me. Your file numbers will give you your photocopies. So that when we are now 1,000. Epala will now 1,000. Yeah. But send our original. Send our original. Don't worry, man, give her. We're supposed to have in general. Okay, sir. So, help me tell her, you know what power story already? I better turn and put. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Sorry, now. Oh, yeah, nah. So, these are the issue. If don't blame you. Sorry, I the fees lock away. Alright. He don't give you? Alright, sir. Thank you, man. So, as I was saying, now collective resolve. So meanwhile, we'll give you photocopy of all your file numbers so that you can sit and send somebody. You say, you sure say Osakuna, what did they do this year of also? Okay, I want to go and check for me. You can verify yourself, even if I am your agent. You can go there and verify the status of your CFO application. By the power of God Almighty, we are going to be operating under a strict compliance to transparency and accountability. So for those who are requesting my number, because I want to go offline now, I want to go work now. 070, my brother, I don't lie you calling Simudia. I never sabi do that pin, you know, say we na old school, but I will learn how to pin number now. Forget that they use the media. There are some certain things we will not sabi do inside. That's why we get technicians to where they assist us. So I will come and learn that from you, my brother. So the number remains 070 3610 9939. I repeat, 070 3610 9939. That's my WhatsApp number. You can still call it directly if you wish. Then the other number is 080 79 74 2172.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.